Hey loves, welcome back to Roma's World. If you've been wondering why your skin's not glowing or why you're feeling older than you are, it might be your everyday habits. Today, I'm sharing the top habits that are aging you way faster than you think and of course, how to fix them. Let's start with the biggest one, skipping sunscreen. Even on cloudy days, UV rays penetrate your skin, breaking down collagen and causing wrinkles and dark spots. Fix it, use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every single morning. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, poor sleep. Lack of quality sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which breaks down skin cells and leads to dull, tired-looking skin. Fix it, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and keep your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. Sleep equals free beauty treatment. Sugar overload. Too much sugar isn't just bad for your waistline, it actually causes glycation, which damages collagen and accelerates aging. Fix it, cut back on sugary snacks and processed foods. Add more fruits, veggies, and healthy fats to support your skin from the inside out. Not drinking enough water. If your skin feels tight or looks dull, dehydration might be the reason. Fix it, aim for at least 2 liters of water a day, and eat water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and oranges. Over-cleansing or harsh products. Using harsh cleansers or scrubbing too hard can strip your skin's barrier and speed up aging. Fix it, stick to gentle, pH-balanced cleansers and always moisturize after washing. These habits might seem small, but changing them can seriously slow down aging and make your skin glow naturally. Which one are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real beauty and wellness tips only on Roma's World. See you in the next one.